Cambridge International Level Sociology, the family.
What are the new right and postmodernist perspectives on family diversity? The new right and postmodernist perspectives offer contrasting viewpoints on family diversity, reflecting differing ideological and theoretical frameworks. Here's an overview of each perspective. New right perspective. The New Right, a conservative political and social ideology, emphasizes traditional family values, nuclear family structures, and the importance of stable, heterosexual marriages for social cohesion and the well-being of individuals and society. Key features of the New Right perspective on family diversity include promotion of traditional family values. The New Right advocates for the preservation of traditional gender roles, marriage, and family structures, viewing them as essential for maintaining social order and stability. Concerns about social breakdown. The New Right criticizes changes in family structures and values, such as increasing divorce rates, single-parent families, and cohabitation, which they argue contribute to social instability, poverty, and welfare dependency. Emphasis on parental responsibility. The New Right emphasizes parental responsibility for raising children, advocating for policies that support married couples and discourage behaviors deemed harmful to family stability, such as divorce and single parenthood. Skepticism of state intervention. The New Right opposes excessive state intervention in family affairs, preferring market-based solutions and voluntary initiatives to address social issues related to family breakdown and welfare dependency. Postmodernist perspective. Postmodernism is a philosophical and cultural movement that challenges traditional grand narratives, including those related to family structures and identities. Postmodernist perspectives on family diversity emphasize the fluidity, plurality, and complexity of familial relationships and identities in contemporary societies. Key features of the postmodernist perspective on family diversity include rejection of fixed categories. Postmodernism rejects fixed categories and essentialist definitions of family structures, arguing that familial relationships are diverse, contingent, and subject to change over time and across contexts. Embrace of diversity and hybridity. Postmodernists celebrate the diversity of family forms, including non-traditional arrangements such as same-sex families, chosen families, and single-person households, viewing them as valid and legitimate expressions of familial relationships and identities. Critique of power dynamics. Postmodernists critique power dynamics within familial relationships and broader social structures, highlighting issues such as gender inequality, heteronormativity, and the marginalization of non-normative family forms. Recognition of individual agency. Postmodernism emphasizes individual agency and autonomy in shaping familial relationships and identities, challenging traditional norms and expectations regarding marriage, gender roles, and family obligations. In summary, the New Right perspective advocates for traditional family values and structures, viewing them as essential for social stability, while the postmodernist perspective embraces family diversity and fluidity, challenging fixed categories and power dynamics within familial relationships. These contrasting perspectives reflect broader debates about the role of family in contemporary societies and the implications of family diversity for individuals, families, and communities.